Next, I'm just going to take our, I think I got to set up, yeah, we got to set up for all our servos. We can just push that right through the header pins. Push those through like that. And then we can go through on the bottom of this and just touch those. Let's see. Weigh this down a little bit. Alright, now I'm just going to go through and touch all these. You know, I could hit these with a little bit of flux. It ain't going to hurt. There we go. I'll start up here. Bridged one there, so I'm going to take care of that bridge. Just run the soldering iron through there. And I think I'm happy with all those. They all look connected. Maybe a little touch up on this one down here. There we go. Maybe one more on this one right here. There we go, it's all soldered up.